I'd like to recommend this fellowship to future students as it provides a lot of good opportunities for them, not only for a classroom setting, but in a real world setting.
When you're put in this experience as a national security fellow, you get to use those skills again in an applied environment, in a very unique applied environment with Air Force pilots and on Barksdale Air Force Base.
This experience has taught me so much, not only technical skills, but also just all the ins and outs pertaining to national security that are applicable skills to just really universal.
I would recommend this because I think people would come into it maybe having a certain expectation, but then realizing there's so much more to it, but it's such a blessing. It's such an opportunity that not many people get.
You know, I'm not in the defense sector. I don't come from the defense sector. So having the ability to come back to school, learn a new skill in engineering coming from public relations, and then getting the opportunity to cross-section that within the defense industry has really just been an amazing experience.
Meeting new people and seeing what goes on and knowing how much it can help you towards your future is truly exciting. I would keep doing this if I could.
This program is hands down one of the best experiences of my life, and I'm extremely grateful for it.